Good evening, everyone. My name is Daniel Ray Perdido Sabio, and let's talk about the difference of investigation and criminal investigation. Investigation means the act or process of careful inquiry of or research and or the systematic examination of some scientific detail or question, whether by experiment or mathematical treatment. Investigation, it is a general that who can investigate for something or someone, like halimbawa yung washing machine mo nasira, imbestigahan mo kung ano ang problema nito, kung ano ang sira. So malalaman mo na dito kung ano ang problema nito kung iimbestigahan mo. Sa criminal investigation naman, specific yung pag-investigate nila. Iniimbestigahan lang nila yung krimen, which is yung nag-investigate lang ay law enforcement. At ang ginagawa naman nila kung paano sila mag-investigate ay mag-collect, mag-prepare, and identify. Tapos pepresenta nila sa court yung mga nakolekta nilang evidence.